In the previous tutorial we have seen how we created this ground surface, and now let's add some stones and grass over it. In order to add some grass and stones, I have already modeled the leaves by using the curves and one stone particle. So let's hide this for now. In order to add the grass, I will add a distribute points on the faces node, and after that I will add instance on the points node. Make the connections between the distribute points and the instance on the points, and also add a object info node, and from the drop down select leaves and connect the set position node to the distribute points and the faces node, and make the connections between join geometry and in the instance and the points node. We will change it to Poisson's disk. We can control the distance between the two objects so that it won't get overlap. I will set the maximum density to around 500 so that we have more number of leaves. But the grasses are positioned uniformly. So in order to have some organic view, we will add some random value nodes to the rotation and the scale values. So let's add some random value node, change here from float to vector, and make the connections to the rotation, and I will duplicate this random value and make the connection to the scale. If you want, you can copy my random values, or else you can type whatever you want. Select this all the nodes and press shift plus V in order to make the frame, and I will name it as leaves. Also I will add the set material node in order to have some material to the grass and as well as stone. So similarly for the stones, only the difference is that here the values will be different, but the connection of the nodes is same. I will just duplicate it and make the connections from set position to this distribute points on the faces node, and I will just change the value to 0.4, and here I will add the stones. Now for the materials, I will go to the shader editor. I have already made the shader for the stones, and even if you want, you can copy this hex values as well. Okay, I will make it for the leaves. So gradient texture, color ramp, mix RGB, and we'll go here again in the geometry node editor, and for the leaves we will use this material. So that's all for today. We have created the good looking grass terrain in Blender. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.